Oh, I forgot my earrings. Oh well. Hey Foxx Squad, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be seeing my shopping haul. A few videos back, I took you shopping with me to HomeGoods, Ross, and TJ Maxx. So in today's video, we are going to be seeing what I picked up, as well as seeing how I decorated with those items in my home. I also ordered some footstools or Ottomans from Overstock, so I'm going to be sharing those with you guys. I'm not going to be decorating with those just yet because I am still waiting for my furniture pieces to come in that I ordered from HomeGoods.com, as well as getting my replacement sofa from West Elm, my chair from West Elm, and my tables from West Elm. It has been so long. Honestly, I don't even remember what I ordered anymore, but hopefully they'll get it together and I'll be receiving those items soon. So yeah. If you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, become part of the Foxx Squad, hit that notification bell so that you're notified each time I upload a new video. Leave me a comment and go ahead and share with your family, friends, girlfriend, boyfriend, whoever. Share with everybody, you guys. Yes. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the video. After I purchased this sculpture, I remember seeing a similar sculpture on the Restoration Hardware website. So I went online to see how much they cost, and as you can see, they are significantly more than the $59.99 I paid for this one at Ross. You can also find the sculpture that I purchased at TJ Maxx and at HomeGoods, but if you go on the TJ Maxx website, you can also purchase the sculptures there, and not only do they have it in black, but they have it in white like on the Restoration Hardware website. All know Restoration Hardware is known for their shade green furniture. I found this console table / desk at Ross for $139.99, and then I looked on the Restoration Hardware website and found something similar. Of course, it was way more, you guys. I purchased these gray and gold Ottomans to go with the new furniture that I ordered that I have been waiting on for the past 4 or 5 months. So hopefully it'll come in soon and I'll be able to show you guys my completed family room. I am going to be replacing my mirrored console table with a black and gold console table from HomeGoods.com. I will insert a picture here, and then I'm going to be placing the gray and gold Ottomans underneath the console table and moving these white ones up into my home office. I also picked up this little drink table from HomeGoods. It was $49.99. I bought this in the color brass to go with the theme of my family room once all of my furniture arrives. I thought this is so cute. It is not going to stay there, but it will be going beside my swivel chairs once the other furniture arrives and I rearrange my family room. But isn't this just like the cutest little drink table? I really like that. Sorry if my shot is horrible. a few months ago, I found this rug at HomeGoods. It has like the brass, the gray, a tealish green color, and then the cream in it, like the theme that I'm going for in my family room. The only color that it doesn't have is black, but I thought it looks really nice with the creamish white color couch that I ordered, and then as well as with the gray chairs and the rest of the brass accents that are going to be in my family room. Picture like vase. I don't know what it's called, but I thought it was really pretty in the color brass. It matches the vase that I picked up from Target. I'm not going to leave it here. I'm going to put it on my coffee table once that arrives, but I saw it in HomeGoods. It was $24.99 and I could not leave it in the store, so I picked it up in preparation before whenever I receive my furniture, you guys. But yeah, isn't that nice? I thought it was very cute. I'm not really sure what it's called, so if you know the name of it or what they call these type of pictures or picture vases, leave me a comment and let me know what they're called. Thank you for watching, you guys. I really appreciate it, and I will see you next time. In the meantime, stay blessed.